So first step, you need to go create a folder on your desktop. You can ask me questions in the group chat or add it in the comment section if you do not understand what I mean by creating a new folder on your desktop. Well, I've created a new folder, coding challenge, on my desktop, and I have opened with VS Code. I have created, as you can see, I've created several files. I've also installed Bootstrap for the SAS and also for the CSJS, but I'll explain all that as we proceed in class. But firstly, after creating your new folder, I want you to tap on this folder that you have opened in VS Code and click here to create new file. We are going to name that file index.html. In my own case, I'm going to name it index3.html because I have all the HTML files here. Now that you have created a new file, you can pull up the HTML boilerplate. Is like a base skeleton for us to start building our page. All you need to do is hold down Shift and 1, that's to bring out the exclamation symbol, and then you press enter. Now you have your boilerplate for the HTML. What you have to do, you can change the title. We will be building a portfolio, so you can just name it portfolio, whatever name you want to give to it. It's the title that will pop up at the edge of your browser. If you've done that, kindly add a comment so that we can proceed with the class.